Are you worried about the rising costs and challenges of living in California? You're not alone. Many people are facing the same issues and looking for better options. In this video, we'll explore why so many are moving out of California and where they're going for a better life. If you're looking for answers and solutions, you're in the right place. Watch the full video to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Let's get started. 1. High cost of living. The cost of living in California has gone up a lot, especially in big cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles. Housing prices are extremely high, making it hard for many people to afford a home. Along with that, taxes and everyday expenses like groceries, gas, and utilities are much more expensive compared to other places. This has made life tough for many residents, forcing them to spend most of their income just to get by. In contrast, other states offer a more affordable lifestyle. In these places, you can find homes that are reasonably priced and lower taxes, allowing people to live more comfortably. These states also blend the old with the new, offering traditional, charming neighborhoods with modern amenities like good schools, parks, and shopping centers. This combination of affordability and quality of life makes these places much more attractive to those looking for a better way of living. 2. Housing crisis. California is facing a serious housing shortage, which has caused property prices and rent to skyrocket. There simply aren't enough homes to meet the demand, especially in popular areas like the Bay Area and Los Angeles. This has made it incredibly difficult for people to find affordable places to live, putting a lot of pressure on families and individuals who need to stretch their budgets just to cover housing costs. Because of this crisis, many people are choosing to move to other states where housing is much more affordable. In these states, they can find homes that fit their budgets in neighborhoods that offer both traditional charm and modern conveniences. These areas often have a welcoming community feel with the added benefits of good schools, parks, and shopping. This blend of affordability and quality of life is drawing more and more people away from California as they seek a better place to call home. 3. Homelessness. Homelessness is becoming a bigger and more visible problem in California. Many people are living on the streets because they can't afford the high cost of housing. This issue is especially noticeable in large cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco, where tent encampments are common and public spaces are often overcrowded. The growing number of homeless individuals has also impacted the safety and cleanliness of communities, making life harder for everyone. In contrast, other states are seen as offering safer and cleaner environments. These places often have well-maintained public spaces where families can enjoy parks, walkways, and community events. Many of these areas blend historical charm with modern infrastructure, creating a pleasant and welcoming atmosphere. This difference is making other states more attractive to people who are looking for a better quality of life, away from the challenges of homelessness in California. 4. Natural disasters. California has been experiencing more frequent and severe natural disasters in recent years, including wildfires, droughts, and earthquakes. Wildfires in particular have caused widespread destruction, burning homes and forests, and forcing people to evacuate. Droughts have also been a big problem, leading to water shortages and affecting the state's agriculture. Earthquakes remain a constant threat, adding to the stress of living in California. Because of these natural disasters, many people are looking for safer places to live. They want to move to areas where they don't have to worry about losing their homes to a fire or dealing with water shortages. In other states, people can find a balance of traditional landscapes like forests and mountains, along with modern safety measures that protect against such disasters. This combination of safety and natural beauty is attracting more people to leave California for a more secure life. 5. Political and social climate. California is facing a lot of political and social tensions. People often disagree over important issues like taxes, housing, and how the state should be governed. These debates can create a lot of stress and division within communities, making it harder for people to feel connected and united. The ongoing discussions about these policies have left some residents feeling frustrated and looking for a place where life is simpler and more balanced. In other states, people might find a lifestyle that feels more balanced and peaceful. These communities often hold on to traditional values while also embracing modern progress, creating an environment where people can enjoy the best of both worlds. Residents can experience a sense of community and stability without the constant debates and tensions.
This blend of tradition and progress makes these states appealing to those who want to live in a more harmonious and less stressful environment. 6. Quality of life. The quality of life in California has been getting worse for many people. Traffic congestion is a major issue, especially in big cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco. Sitting in traffic for hours every day can be exhausting and takes away time that could be spent with family or on other important activities. Pollution is another big problem, with smog and poor air quality affecting people's health. The crowded living conditions in many parts of the state make it difficult to find peace. These factors all add up, making everyday life more stressful and less enjoyable for many residents. Because of these issues, many people are choosing to move to other states where they can enjoy a better quality of life. In these states, there is less traffic, cleaner air, and more space to live comfortably. These places offer a mix of traditional living and modern conveniences, allowing people to live more relaxed and fulfilling lives. 7. Job market and economy. California's job market is becoming increasingly difficult for many people. High competition, especially in the tech industry, makes it hard to find and keep good jobs. With so many people looking for work in places like Silicon Valley, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The tech industry in California is also reaching a point where it's saturated, meaning there are too many companies and not enough opportunities to go around. On top of that, the high cost of running a business in California puts pressure on companies, sometimes leading them to cut jobs or relocate. Other states are becoming more appealing because they offer job opportunities in both traditional industries and growing tech hubs. These places have lower living costs, making it easier for people to build their careers and enjoy a better quality of life without the intense competition and high costs found in California. 8. Education and family life. Many families in California worry about the quality of public education. Schools in some areas are overcrowded, and budget cuts have reduced resources, making it hard for children to get the best education. This is a big concern for parents who want the best for their kids. Raising a family in California is also tough because of the high cost of living. With expensive housing, childcare, and daily expenses, it's hard for families to manage, leaving little room for savings or other needs. Other states offer better educational opportunities and more affordable living. They have strong traditional schools with modern facilities, providing a good education for children. The lower costs and family-friendly environments in these states make them appealing to families looking for a better place to raise their kids. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the reasons people are moving out of California. Also, if you know someone who might find this video interesting, feel free to share it with them. Your support helps us grow and create more content for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.